What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, on a Dex activity, Nadek Limia was went on his event for the Charm Month to experience the comfortable atmosphere with Charman's events, launching event of Charman's eyewear brand and the first brand ambassador of Thailand. Nadek looked so handsome wearing his navy blue tuxedo with matching his merchant eyewear, and there are many styles you can choose to fit your suit. And they offered a light and comfortable glasses, and dressing is more fun with titanium glasses color lens. Nadek was so happy for the successful on his event. Last day, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's beer band got her beautiful photo shoot on the road in Paris. Rosa's beer band her looks so beautiful on her new hairstyle that matches to her beautiful clothes from LV. As you can see, all of the clothes from LV was new, and guess it was comfortable to wear it. There are many styles that you can choose it every day. As you can see, everything was perfect. The ambassador of Thailand is really stunning that day.